Here I have 10 RE, and let me show you how to perform here the hard reset operation that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up, release both keys as soon as 10 or logo pops up. And as you can see, the no command picture pops up, so you need to start holding power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. This is Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down here to choose wipe data factory reset, press power key to confirm it, scroll down, choose yes and press power button. The phone is wiping all personal data, customized settings and installed apps. As soon as Android system recovery pops up again, let's press power key to reboot system now. The device is restarting and rebooting, so let's wait until the operation will be completed. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, and as you can see, there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate this device. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.